I recently watched a video class by Cleo Papanikolas on Creative Live, which is a website for creatives. And she taught a class on drawing, and something that really stuck with me from the class was towards the end, she showed some of the things she takes with her just for drawing. And one thing was a tin filled with scrap papers. And there's a company called Resketch that actually makes notebooks that are spiral bound or other way bound by with either recycled or reclaimed paper. And I think reclaimed paper is really interesting because it's, instead of recycling the paper, Resketch will actually get papers from companies that they no longer need and just upcycle them. So you never know exactly what you're getting, but it's actually just all kinds of paper. So it's fun to have a variety of papers, and that's kind of the point. So I made my own little box. I even put a leaf in it. But I've got, old watercolor paper that even has been painted on, but I thought I could still draw on it. I've got canvas paper, I've got note cards, index cards, I've got old packaging that I've cut up. I've got glassine, which you could draw on, or you could even use as like tracing paper. And some colorful papers, just handmade papers, wrapping papers. These are interesting because they are just cut up security envelopes. They always have like an interesting inside to them. And I've got some even with the little bits of glassine window attached. Scraps from magazines. Newspaper print that is left over from some figure drawing classes. Cut up shopping bags. I've got packaging and tissue papers. I've even got some post-it notes and some toilet paper, paper toweling that's got a nice texture to it, and this is fun with markers. So anyway, if you don't have a tin like this, I just had this, and like I said, I just upcycled it by covering the label with my own paper. You could also use an expandable folder, and if you wanted to do it for traveling, you could get a smaller one, maybe like a wallet size one, and just store your goodies in there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.